introductions. We are Team Automators 202 from Senthil Public School, Salem. We are a team of 7 from classes 8 to 10. Today, homes are filled with disconnected systems, lighting, appliances, security devices, all requiring separate apps, remotes, or manual operations. This leads to inconvenience, energy wastage, and security vulnerabilities. Smart homes do exist, but they are expensive, limited, and often inaccessible to middle class families. Our vision is to build intelligent, affordable, and secure homes for everyone. Our project combines IoT, automation, and aerial robotics to redefine smart living. Our solution is automatized ambient vertex, an affordable all-in-one smart home and security ecosystem built entirely from scratch. It combines relay-based switching, sensor monitoring, environmental feedback, and real-time energy monitoring, all controlled through a centralized home assistant server. And we have added something groundbreaking, an autonomous hexacopter drone with human face tracking and laser deterrent capability to secure homes from the air. I am Mahanand, the team captain and software engineer for our project. My role was to configure our ASP home devices, develop YAML-based automations, and deploy the Home Assistant UI on a local server. I developed the Home Assistant UI, created device entities, and configured remote access and status alerts for all the systems. Next, my teammates will introduce themselves and explain what they have done in the project.
I am Balaji and I integrated an energy monitoring system. Our dashboard shows voltage, power, current, energy, power factor, frequency, and a real-time cost monitor. This is my energy meter.
I am Sachin. I am responsible for the physical design of the project and I manage the complete wiring system.
I am Siddharth. I have made the autonomous home security hexacopter that captures and tracks intruders.
I am Sunil. I made the hydrophone system project for low and low level circuit design. This is the project which I made.
I am Senthil. I made the development of the PR system and this is the working type.
I am Sribalaji and have done the research and development of the project.